Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my summer sweat-proof makeup routine. This is what I wear if I'm going out, if I'm going to a barbecue, or if I just want to look flawless on a special summer occasion. This isn't my everyday summer routine, but this is something that if I want to look fabulous and I don't want to sweat off all my makeup, I do. So first I start off by priming my face with the Skindinavia Makeup Primer Spray. And I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier Radiance Primer. This is going to give me a hydrated, dewy base. And then I'm going to be going in with my MAC Pro Longwear Foundation. And this stuff is amazing for the summertime. It is super lightweight, it glues onto your face, and it doesn't sweat off, run, or budge all throughout the day. And then just to deepen up the foundation, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. This part is optional, but I like it for an extra added touch. Now I'm going to be using my MAC Pro Longwear Concealers underneath my eyes and in my T-zone to conceal. Again, this stuff will stay on all day. It's not going to budge. It's super lightweight, and you don't have to worry about this sweating off of your face. It's going to stay in place and give you great coverage, which is why I love it so much. And I'm going to set everything in place using the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. This is one of my all-time favorites as well. This is like the cherry on top to make sure I don't get sweaty throughout the day and make sure that my makeup just stays in place. Now I'm going to be going in with my Black Radiance Soft Focus Finishing Powder. And I'm going to be using this to bronze up my face. I really like this powder. It is drugstore, and it just gives my face the nicest finish. I love how it looks. It's definitely a dupe for the MAC Skin Finish Natural in my personal opinion, because I'm a huge fan of the MAC Skin Finish Natural. I'm just going to be buffing any excess powder off of my face. I also put the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer on my eyelids and set that with the powder as well to prime my eyes. Now I'm going in with all that glitters from MAC, and I'm just going to be placing this all over my lid. Then I'm going to be going into Cork eyeshadow from MAC with this big fluffy MAC brush, and I'm just going to swirl that in there and then just buff it into my crease. This doesn't have to be neat at all. You just want it to look very natural and buffed out. So just buff it into your crease. We just want to add a little bit of dimension into the eye. Nothing crazy. Next, I'm going to be taking this yellow shade from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Highlight Kit, and I'm just going to be placing that in the center of my eyelid just to give an extra pop. Now for blush, I'm going to be taking MAC Eternal Sun Pro Longwear Blush. This stuff will stay on your cheeks forever. I love it for the summertime. Next, I'm going to be using Becca Cosmetics Champagne Pop to highlight. I'm just going to be placing that on the high points of my cheeks, as well as the high points of my brow, above my brow at the high point, and my cupid's bow, and down the center of my nose, just to highlight, because we want to look matte and you want to look like your makeup is staying in place, but at the same time you want to look glowy and dewy, because that is the summer look. So we want to look highlighted and dewy without actually being sweaty and dewy. So I'm adding this to my collarbone as well as my shoulders as well to give a highlighted look. Now I'm going to be adding some liquid liner, just a simple wing. This is the Wet n Wild liquid liner in black. And I'm going to be going in with my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. Now this is not waterproof mascara. So if you're looking for a waterproof look, if you are nervous about sweating off your mascara, then by all means get the waterproof version, but I'm not a fan of waterproof mascara, and I don't sweat off this eyeliner or this mascara, so this is perfect for me. Now I'm going in and lining my lips with MAC Spice Lip Liner. This is one of my favorite liners. I just love how natural it looks on my lips, and I'm just going to be filling in my lips with the liner. And you can leave it like this. I love how this looks by itself, but I decided to add the Kat Von D Lolita liquid lipstick on top, which is another one of my favorites. This is going to stay on your lips all day, and this combo really does last a long time. And to finish off the look, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, and your makeup is not going anywhere if you spray this on top of your makeup. Let that dry, and here is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. This is a sweat-proof, bulletproof makeup look for the summertime, again, for any special occasion. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.